We're movie stars. Good sound effects editing can make the difference between a boring chick movie with some English dude and a really cool movie with lots of explosions and stuff.
Yeah, like Under Siege 2.
For example, when I smack Beavis, sound effects create the illusion of pain.
That really did hurt. Wow.